Ratio and proportion. Warm-up time. Look at the cartoon given below. In the time it takes me to travel 2 kilometers, the hare will have traveled 40 kilometers. That means our speed ratio is 2:40, or more simple, 1:20. Learning time. A ratio compares values. A ratio says how much of one thing there is compared to another thing. 3:1. There are 3 blue squares to 1 yellow square. Ratios can be shown in different ways. Using the to separate the values 3:1. Instead of, we can use the word 2, 3:1, or write it like a fraction, 3/1. A ratio can be scaled up, 3:1. Using ratios. The trick with ratios is to always multiply or divide the numbers by the same value. Example, 4:5 is the same as 4 into 2 is to 5 into 2 is equal to 8:10. Recipes. Example, a recipe for pancakes uses 3 cups of flour and 2 cups of milk. So the ratio of flour to milk is 3:2. To make pancakes for a lot of people, we might need 4 times the quantity. So we multiply the numbers by 4. 3 into 4 is to 2 into 4 is equal to 12:8. In other words, 12 cups of flour and 8 cups of milk. The ratio is still the same, so the pancakes should be just as yummy. Part to part and part to whole ratios. The examples so far have been part to part, comparing one part to another part, but a ratio can also show a part compared to the whole lot. Example, there are 5 pups, 2 are male and 3 are female pups. Part to part. The ratio of male to female is 2:3 or 2/3. The ratio of female to male is 3:2 or 3/2. Part to whole. The ratio of male to all female is 2:5 or 2/5. The ratio of female to all is 3:5 or 3/5. Examples. Arrange the following ratios in descending order: 2:3, 3:4, 5:6, 1:5. Solution. Given ratios are 2/3, 3/4, 5/6, 1/5. The LCM of 3, 4, 6, 5 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 60. Now, 2/3 is equal to 2 into 20 by 3 into 20 is equal to 40/60. 3/4 is equal to 3 into 15 by 4 into 15 is equal to 45/60. 5/6. 5 into 10. 5/6 is equal to 5 into 10 by 6 into 10 is equal to 50/60. 1/5 is equal to 1 into 12 by 5 into 12 is equal to 12/60. Clearly, 50/60 is greater than 45/60 is greater than 40/60 is greater than 12/60. Therefore, 5/6 is greater than 3/4 is greater than 2/3 is greater than 1/5. So, 5:6 is greater than 3:4 is greater than 2:3 is greater than 1:5. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. If the sum of the numbers is 63, find the numbers. Solution. Sum of the terms of the ratio is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Sum of numbers is equal to 63. Therefore, the first number 3 by 7 into 63 is equal to 27. Second number 4 by 7 into 63 is equal to 36. Therefore, the two numbers are 27 and 36. Activity 1. Write the ratios for the fractions. Example, 4 by 5 is equal to 4:5. 8 by 5 is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 12 is equal to 5 by 9 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 11 by 15 is equal to 2 by 5 is equal to 7 by 12 is equal to 4 by 7 is equal to 7 by 10 is equal to Solve the following sums. Divide 20 in the ratio 3:7. Divide 15 in the ratio 1:4. Divide 12 in the ratio 5:1. Divide 25 in the ratio 3:2. Divide 22 in the ratio 1:1. Fill in the blanks from the given statements. There are 7 roses and 8 sunflowers in the garden. Ratio of roses to sunflower is. Ratio of sunflowers to total flowers in the garden is. Ratio of roses to total flowers in the garden is. There are 12 comic books and 5 novels in the shelf. Ratio of novels to comic books is. Ratio of novels to total books in the shelf is. Ratio of comic books to total books in the shelf is. Solve the following problems. In a school, there are 900 boys and 600 girls. Complete the ratio of boys and girls. Mohan earns rupees 10,000. He spends rupees 8,000 towards house rent and other miscellaneous. What is the ratio between the expenses and earnings? Proportions. Proportion says that two ratios or fractions are equal. Example, 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. So, 1 out of 3 is equal to 2 out of 6. The ratios are the same, so they are in proportion. Example, rope. Rope's length and weight are in proportion. When 20 meters of rope weighs 1 kg, then 40 meters of rope weighs 2 kgs. 200 meters of that rope weighs 10 kgs. So, 20:1 is equal to 40:2. Sizes. When shapes are in proportion, their relative sizes are the same. Here, we see that the ratios of head length to body length. More examples. If 10 balls cost rupees 200, what is the cost of each ball? One ball cost is rupees 200 divided by 10 is equal to 20. Hence, the cost of each ball is rupees 20. If 5 books cost rupees 150, what is the cost of 12 books? One book cost is 150 divided by 5 is equal to 30. 12 books cost rupees 30 into 12 is equal to rupees 360. What is the ratio between the number of books? It is 5:12. A boy who is 3 feet tall can cast a shadow on the ground that is 7 feet long. How tall is a man who can cast a shadow that is 14 feet long. Set up the proportion by doing ratios of height to length of shadow. Height of boy is to length of shadow is equal to height of man is to length of shadow. Replace the known values and use h for the unknown height of the man. 3:7 is equal to h:14. Cross multiply. 3 into 14 is equal to 7 into h. h is equal to 42 by 7 is equal to 6. 42 is equal to 7 into h. Since 7 into 6 is equal to 42, h is equal to 6. The man is 6 feet tall. Activity 2. Find the missing number in the given proportions. 2:7 is equal to 10:2. 4:5 is equal to 20:2. 12:20 is equal to 3:2. 2:3 is equal to 9. 1:6 is equal to 36. 15:25 is equal to 5. 3:9 is equal to 3. 8:4 is equal to 1. 1:7 is equal to 49. State whether the following ratios are proportional: 2:3 and 4:6, 1:4 and 6:18, 3:5 and 1:3, 2:5 and 8:20, 4:9 and 12:27, 6:15 and 2:5. Maths lab activity. Look at the figure and read the instructions. Purple paint contains red and blue paint in the ratio of 3:2. Paint ratios. I have 4 cans of blue paint. How many cans of red paint do I need to make purple paint? Remember the ratio 3:2.